so I'm done. I have had this brush actually for a little while. I just wanted to show you guys how I use it and how I like it. I don't know where I bought this. Actually, you know what? I think I bought this at Ulta a while ago. For maybe 40, it can't be more than 40 bucks for this. I truly like it. I will say a few things about this. It is hard to get my roots dry. I have to keep going over my whole hair, and even then my roots are still a bit dry, so I'm probably going to go over that, but the rest of it is completely dry and stretched, and this took me it won't take me more than 15 minutes to do my whole head. I'm not straightening my hair, so I don't need to make it super straight, but I got it pretty stretched and pretty blown out. I'll say the air only comes out of the top part of it, so that's where the heat is. I use this on high heat. There's a low setting of heat, low heat, high heat, and then cool. I always use it on high heat, and if I have time, I'll probably just do low, maybe if I don't need it as stretched, but because I really wanted it blown out, I use the high heat. And it's super hot, actually hotter than you would think, but it works really fast. Like I said, it didn't take me more than 15 minutes, so I would say I really like this. I think it's worth the purchase if you're going to straighten your hair a lot, or if you do your own braids, stuff like that. If you want your hair stretched out for protective style, I would say this is worth it. I really like it. So yeah, I think it works like a powder brush. It works exactly like a powder brush. And so it really helps. I do detangle my hair beforehand, so I never have to really try to deal with tangles, but I find I didn't have too much hair come out. This is kind of normal for me to have this much hair come out of my powder brush, and I do kind of use it often, so I would say this is worth the buy if you think you're going to use it a lot. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!